Inside you, a battalion of cells is constantly at war. Your immune system is a vigilant guardian, recognizing and neutralizing intruders with unerring precision. Amazingly, it starts this work even before you're born. During fetal development, your thymus, a small organ nestled behind your sternum, begins training T cells, the soldiers of your immune army. These cells learn to distinguish between your body's cells and foreign invaders. Less than 1% of T cells pass this rigorous test, ensuring they won't mistakenly attack your own tissues. This relentless training regime is the first line of defense against pathogens. Without it, survival would be nearly impossible. But why such a complex system? Your body is a hotspot for microscopic invaders like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. In a single day, you might inhale thousands of these pathogens. Each breath, each touch introduces potential threats. Without an immune system, these invaders would multiply unchecked, overrunning your body. To manage this, your immune system employs a multi-layered defense strategy. Skin acts as an initial barrier, preventing entry. But when breaches occur, white blood cells leap into action. These cells patrol your bloodstream, identifying and engulfing threats with astonishing speed, often within minutes of detection. Such rapid response is crucial for maintaining health. At the heart of this recognition process lies the MHC, or major histocompatibility complex. These are proteins on the surface of cells that present tiny fragments of proteins or antigens. Your cells constantly display pieces of themselves via MHC molecules. If a cell presents a foreign antigen like a viral protein, it signals danger. This is how T cells discern friend from foe. The diversity of MHC molecules is staggering. Each person has a unique set. This genetic variation ensures that some individuals can resist infections that devastate others. It's a silent, ongoing arms race between your body and the microbial world. Pathogens, however, are cunning adversaries. Viruses, for instance, can mutate rapidly, altering their antigens to evade detection. One surprising example is the influenza virus, which changes so quickly that new vaccines are needed annually. Similarly, bacteria can cloak themselves in a sugar-like coat, fooling your immune cells into ignoring them. To counteract these tricks, your immune system has evolved a memory component. Once exposed to a pathogen, it remembers it, enabling a faster response upon re-exposure. This is why diseases like chickenpox rarely strike twice. Your immune system holds the blueprint to counteract them swiftly. This dynamic interplay between attack and defense defines your immune system's perpetual vigilance. It's a balancing act, preventing infections without turning against your own cells. Autoimmune diseases occur when this balance tips, causing your immune system to attack your own tissues. Conditions like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis illustrate this breakdown. Yet, even with its complexities and occasional misfires, the immune system's efficiency is unparalleled. A single drop of blood contains thousands of immune cells, each primed to protect you. The sheer scale and complexity of this microscopic army are a testament to the evolutionary pressures that shaped it. Dive deep into the cellular battlefront where macrophages lead the charge. These large white blood cells are the first responders to infection. They engulf pathogens in a process called phagocytosis, digesting them with powerful enzymes. Astonishingly, a single macrophage can consume up to 100 bacteria in its lifetime. Once a pathogen is engulfed, pieces of it are displayed on the macrophage's surface using MHC molecules. This presentation alerts T cells to the invader's presence, effectively waving a red flag. This seamless communication between cells is crucial, forming a bridge between innate and adaptive immunity. It's a sophisticated dance of destruction and signaling. Inside the microscopic world, B cells produce antibodies, the body's guided missiles. Each antibody is a Y-shaped protein that targets a specific pathogen. Remarkably, B cells can generate over 1 billion different antibodies, each tailored for a unique invader. Once an antibody binds to a pathogen, it marks it for destruction. This binding also neutralizes the invader, preventing it from entering cells. Antibodies can persist in your bloodstream for years, providing long-lasting immunity. This is the principle behind vaccinations, which prepare your immune system by exposing it to harmless versions of pathogens. The memory of B cells ensures a swift response to future infections. Meanwhile, T cells, the immune system's tacticians, orchestrate the attack. When they detect a foreign antigen displayed by MHC molecules, they become activated. Helper T cells amplify the immune response by releasing signaling molecules called cytokines. These molecules act as an alarm, recruiting more immune cells to the site of infection. Cytotoxic T cells, on the other hand, target and destroy infected cells. They release perforins, proteins that create pores in the target cell's membrane, leading to its destruction. This targeted approach ensures minimal collateral damage to surrounding tissues. Their precision is vital for maintaining your body's delicate balance. Among the unsung heroes are dendritic cells, the sentinels of your immune system. These cells reside in tissues that contact the external environment, like skin and mucous membranes. They capture antigens and travel to lymph nodes where they present them to T cells. This journey is crucial for initiating the adaptive immune response. Dendritic cells can influence T cell differentiation, deciding whether the response should be aggressive or restrained. This decision-making process is key to preventing overreactions that could damage your own tissues. Their strategic placement and mobility make them indispensable in coordinating an effective defense. A fascinating part of immune recognition is the complement system, a cascade of proteins in your blood. When activated, these proteins enhance the ability of antibodies and phagocytic cells to clear pathogens. The complement system can directly kill bacteria by puncturing their cell walls. This process, known as complement fixation, is swift and efficient. Additionally, complement proteins coat pathogens, making them more appetizing to phagocytes like macrophages and neutrophils. This coating is called opsonization. With over 30 proteins working in concert, the complement system forms a critical layer of defense, amplifying the immune response. It's a testament to the intricate design of your body's defenses. When your immune system encounters extreme challenges, its flaws become apparent. Allergies are a case in point, where your immune system overreacts to harmless substances like pollen or peanuts. This overreaction triggers the release of histamines, causing symptoms like itching, swelling, and even anaphylaxis in severe cases. Anaphylaxis can constrict airways and drop blood pressure, requiring immediate medical intervention. About 5% of the global population experiences severe allergic reactions at some point. This hypersensitivity underscores the delicate balance your immune system must maintain, detecting real threats while ignoring benign substances. Each reaction is a vivid reminder of how finely tuned your immune defenses are. Autoimmune diseases expose another edge of immune function. Conditions like type 1 diabetes and multiple sclerosis occur when immune cells mistakenly attack your own tissues. In type 1 diabetes, T cells target insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, destroying them. This process leaves the body unable to regulate blood sugar levels. Multiple sclerosis involves the immune-mediated destruction of the protective covering of nerve fibers. Approximately 4% of the population is affected by some form of autoimmune disease. These conditions highlight the potential for error within your immune system, where the line between self and non-self becomes blurred, leading to chronic illness. Stress has a profound impact on your immune system. Chronic stress can suppress immune function, making you more susceptible to infections. Cortisol, a hormone released during stress, lowers the number of lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. A study in the Journal of Immunology in 2021 found sustained stress reduces immune response efficiency by up to 50%. This relationship illustrates how your mental state directly influences your physical health. The interplay between the nervous system and immune system is a delicate balance, with psychological stress tipping the scales towards increased vulnerability to disease. It's a reminder of the mind-body connection's significance. Yet your immune system is remarkably resilient. It adapts to unfamiliar threats, which is evident in the body's response to novel viruses like SARS-CoV-2. The rapid development of vaccines and subsequent immunity showcases this adaptability. In just weeks after vaccination, your immune system can recognize and neutralize the virus, reducing infection severity. The global vaccination effort against COVID-19 saw over 4 billion doses administered by mid-2023, illustrating the immune system's ability to learn and respond. This adaptability is an evolutionary marvel, enabling you to survive in a world teeming with pathogens. It's a testament to the dynamic nature of your body's defenses. Ultimately, the immune system's complexity is a double-edged sword. While it protects you from countless infections, it's also implicated in many chronic conditions. The most surprising revelation is its intimate link to the microbiome, the trillions of bacteria residing in your gut. A 2023 study published in Cell showed that gut bacteria influence immune responses, dictating the system's efficiency. This symbiotic relationship means your health hinges on maintaining a balanced microbiome. Your immune system isn't fighting alone, it's part of an intricate network involving microbes that help calibrate its actions. This hidden alliance reframes how we view the body's ultimate defense mechanism.